everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mansi, and as you all know, by profession I am a wedding designer and a consultant. So all the people who are getting hitched in 2021 can contact me for like any advice they need on wedding. You can go to my Instagram channel, I'll leave a link there. You can check out my Instagram channel and shoot your questions regarding your wedding. In today's video, what I'll do, I'll give you a introduction about myself, about what my channel will be about, the kind of content you will get on my channel, and when my videos will be up, the particular days of the week and the time by which my videos will be up for you people to see it. So if you have not yet subscribed or pressed the bell icon, please do that in order to get the notification about my channel. Let's begin with the questions of how my channel, like how you'll see my channel, the content and everything. So basically the content of my channel will be about the mental health of people, anxiety and everything. The last 1.5 year have been very tough on every one of us. So we have lost loved ones, we have lost friends, we have lost family members. Everyone has lost someone very close to them. So what I'll do, I'll just I know the loss that has, the damage that has been done due to this COVID, the space that is empty in people's life will never be fulfilled or replaced. But what we can do is we can heal it up by venting out our things with people. So what you can do is you can shoot your questions to me and I'll try to give answers from my past experience of being into depression and how I have cope up and got a stability in my life again. So I am not any certified coach or a psychiatrist or a counselor for mental health, but what I'll do, I'll try to lessen your burden of sorrow by giving you tips, by giving you answers like how you can be positive about things, how you can forget things, how you can just move on in your life, move on with the daily course of your life, so that you don't have to you don't just stuck at one place. I know how bad it is and how it can affect not only us but the people who loved us, who are associated with us. So that will be a short thing about mental health that will be there on my channel. The next is I'll come up with a very quick and easy recipes of tasty food for the people who don't like cooking. So I'll just give you a very quick recipe, jhatpat wala, so that you can have a tasty food in no time. And then next will be a DIYs, budget friendly DIYs, creative, very less time taking, with very less material and all. I'll come up with the DIYs for you people. Love decorating or creating beautiful memories for people through my work, by weddings and by home decor. So what I'll do, I'll just I'll keep giving you quick tips about home decor, how we can have a very beautiful and minimalistic decor. All the ideas will be for a rental friendly house, so that you don't have any issues while putting any kind of decor in your walls or anything you want to do with your house. ना डैमेज हो, ना किसी और का डैमेज हो, ना आपको कोई इशू आए अपने लैंडलॉर्ड्स के साथ. The days that I have selected for my videos to be up on my channel will be Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. I have divided these days into different, given these days a different topics, so that we can Wednesday ka video will be on a recipe or a DIY or any tip or tricks that I have come across. I'll share it with you guys. फ्राइडे को विल बी फ्राइडे का वीडियो विल बी अबाउट हाउ माई वीक वेंट, अ वीकली व्लॉग काइंड ऑफ वीडियो. And the third day, that is Sunday will be a Q&A session. So that session will be open to every question you have regarding me, regarding weddings, or regarding your mental health. I'll try my best to give you a answer that can help you or benefit you in some or the other ways from my past experience. And again, I'm mentioning it, I'm not a certified psychiatrist or a counselor or a life coach. It's just that I know how the situation is and how the scenario is from last 1.5 years. I am just trying to be a friend to you people, so that you can just, whatever thought is there in your mind which is not letting you go ahead, you can just vent it out with me, you can discuss it with me, and just come up, like, just forget everything and start a fresh lives, and stay positive, stay happy, keep smiling, so that you don't, like, if you keep smiling, if you'll stay positive, you'll definitely do wonders in whatever you are doing. I'm saying that from my personal experience only. So with that, I have come to the end of the video, and if you've not yet liked or shared or subscribed my channel, please do that. In order to get the notification, please press the bell icon, so that you will be notified when my video will be up, and you can just go and watch the video. With that, I would take a leave. Bye bye.